Problem number 30. Use a calculator to simplify the following expressions and round your final answer to 3 decimal places. So in this case, we are allowed to use a calculator. Let's open our calculator. And there we are. Let me clear this out real quick. So now our first problem is the square root of 35. Probably everybody has used that function before on the calculator, but let me just show you. The square root symbol is right here on top of x squared, and it is in blue. So whenever you have something in blue you want to use, you need to first press the blue button which says second, and then the square root symbol. So now we can put 35, and we do not need to close it if it's only one value, so this should still give us a correct answer. But if you are not sure, you can always close the parentheses. So we get 5.916 and so forth. Rounding to 3 decimal places, you look at the 4th decimal place, and that is a 0, so everything below 5 keeps the 3rd decimal place the same, and 6 stays the same, so our answer is 5.916. Now go on to B. In this case we have the cube root, so let me open my calculator. And we do not see a cube root symbol on here anywhere, but if you look under the math option, there are a few different things you can do, and under number 4 you might recognize this is the cube root. So pressing number 4, and then I can plug in 17 for my cube root, and I am getting 2.571 and so forth. So 3 decimal places, looking at the 4th, we got a 2 which is below 5, so 1 stays the same. 2.571 is our answer. Alright, so now we got the 4th root of 19, and there was not, under the math function, there was not a 4th root, but there is the number 5 option, which lets you use any type of root you have. But before you can use it, you first, so let me exit this program by hitting second quit. You first will have to type in the index. In our case, the index is 4, and then I'm using the math function and choosing number 5. So now I have the 4th root of 19, and that gives me 2.0877. So rounding to 3 decimal places, which means the 7 is going to make this 7 go up, so we got 2.088. So remember, anything that's above index 3, you will have to use that function that we were just using. Need the calculator one more time. So now we have the 5th root. Remember, the index goes first, and then math number 5, and plug in what's your 5th root, 11. So enter 1.615. Because our 4th digit is a 3, which is below 5, so our answer is 1.615. So I hope this helps you to do any type of roots on the calculator. Keep practicing and you will get better.